What's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here, the Group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys having a great day. I know that I am, but man, it's a little rainy out here today. But hey, we'll keep it going, guys. Before we do anything, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's your guy here, Crypto Chuck. Got the Group Crypto Black. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Follow us on all different social medias. We always tweeting out some good information. We always post some good stuff on Instagram as well as on TikTok. So make sure you guys are following us on all our different social medias so you're able to actually get inside some plays that we're looking to go into when we're about to trade as well. So, let's keep it going. But guys, I want to let you guys know in half an hour we'll be out before, obviously we'll be done before 1:30. But I would say if you are trading, try not to trade between about 1:30, close to about 3, because as Fed Chair Powell speaks, he's going to talk about, if people want to know if he's going to be hawkish still with the rates or he's going to ease up a little bit. People want to know, and the market going to be moving. If he's still hawkish, and the rates still going to be, he pushing down, making the rates keep going up. He pushing for the rates to keep going up. Then, or if he sound like it, or if he hint at it, then you're gonna see the market push down. Or if he say, hey, listen, we might ease up a little bit, then you'll see the market push up. But if you want to stay safe, because it's just certain words he can say and make the market just whipsaw. So if you're not a trader, you're not experienced, I would say sit back and chill. For most people out there, I would say just sit back and chill and wait till he's done talking. The market gonna rally or dump anyway. So once that trend is in, then you can jump in and trade like that after that's over, because it's gonna keep going in a direction regardless. So but yeah, man, again, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll have a Q&A at the end anyway, and we'll keep it going. So yeah, so make sure. So the Dow right now, you see Dow drop 200 points because they're trying to figure it out. All right. So that's 1:30 today. Fed Chair Powell will be speaking at 1:30 today. But man, we're gonna talk about Binance. Binance just got bigger. Because what it did, just re-entered Japan, and then what it did, bought a regulated exchange inside Japan. So now Binance control over 75% of exchanges monthly trading volume. All right, so that's how it got so much bigger. And people want to say, okay, where's the evidence? Let me see what's going on. Binance, if you guys see, that's why we keep saying Binance is so big. Binance is huge. Binance trading volume, as you can see, look at this compared to everything else. You see what I'm saying? So you got $12 billion in trading volume, and the next one to that is Coinbase, and they at $1.6 billion. So Binance is in the top, maybe top 15, top 20 combined. Don't even account for Binance. And you can see right here, Binance US dropped down to number 13. I believe it was like number 6 or something like that a few weeks ago. We all know what happened with FTX debacle. And a lot of people start moving their money over to different off exchange onto their private wallets, or they start moving their money over to other exchanges as well, as far as trading. People that do trade. So people that would normally trade on FTX, they start moving over to other exchanges. That's why you start seeing a little breakup right here. A lot of things moved around, and a lot of people got, it's on Binance US, they probably moved their stuff off as well. So in the trading volume, with the trading volume, should I say? But yeah, so again, but another thing while we talk about that, make sure you guys have your ledger. Ledger just had a Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal. Hope you guys got your ledgers, but make sure you guys have your ledger, your own cold storage hardware wallets, because you don't want to be subject to your stuff being froze up on exchanges, and you want to be able to get your stuff off whenever you want to. Okay, or move your stuff around whenever you want to, and it's not being locked up on the exchange. But you guys see right here, Binance is the big dog right here. And Binance just got bigger by buying another exchange in Japan, which is a huge crypto market, and on top of that, a regulated exchange. So Binance is going in full-fledged with the license already to go, because they buying an exchange that already have the license and regulated. All right. So that's a lot of these companies are doing. which is a good thing. So Kraken, KuCoin, Kraken came out, talked about their and have been very transparent about their exchange as well. The FUD, stay away from the FUD from KuCoin. A lot of people say a lot of things about KuCoin as FUD. Also, in my opinion, I tweeted about this as well. I don't think that FTX pretty much had that trading volume like they claimed they had. I mean, we seen SBF did a lot of stuff, a lot of manipulation, a lot of things, and I don't think they were the number. As far as number wise, I don't think they was number 2 or number 3. I think they really just they was really buffering up a lot of numbers and reporting a lot of wrong numbers, and because we're gonna look at this right here, take a look at Bitcoin. You think about it, a lot of people say, yeah, this FTX thing, it's a bad thing what happened, right? But if you look at it, FTX, from when the news came out and the big drop with FTX, Bitcoin dropped 27% when the news came out. You know what I mean? Just on those few days, Bitcoin dropped 27%. If you look at, we know it's a big drop, but it's not a huge drop for Bitcoin. We've seen Bitcoin make 40, 50% drops before in a matter of 1 or 2 days, right? If you look at the June, the Terra Luna, and everything else that came out, look what happened in June. With Terra Luna, that news actually dropped the market more. You know what I mean? Just off of this right here, and that was a 30% drop. And then it really, we only had like 1 day push up, but then push back down again. But all in all, that drop was a 36% drop. So you look at a 27% drop versus a 36% drop that happened inside June versus what happened with FTX. A lot of people and Bitcoin still be at this price here after that shows the strength of Bitcoin, the community. It shows the strength of, how people actually start taking custody of their own coins and or their own assets, should I say, crypto. And it shows the strength of this overall market in regards to what Bitcoin is really, Bitcoin is made for. And Bitcoin is being tested, and Bitcoin is actually winning. So we're seeing this right here where, this big debacle that happened with Terra Luna, I'm not Terra Luna. With the Terra Luna was actually bigger than what happened with FTX. So that's something to think about right there. You know what I mean? But if you guys will be looking to trade, we see Bitcoin right now at $16,763, and it is actually up over 3.33% for the week, down 18.71% for the month, because obviously we all know what happened. And you look at it, if you're going to be trading, I would say for my swing traders out there, you can trade between this box between 17,529 up to 18,472. You can trade up to that, and that's about 4%, I believe. So you can get in right here and sell. Yeah, almost 5%. You get in and sell at this resistance right here. If it's just keep seeing volume keep coming in, which we've seen good volume in the last couple of days, keep seeing volume coming in, then we can push up. But remember, guys, we're gonna have Fed Chair Powell speaking in about 20 minutes, so we want to make sure we want to be on that for there as well. But we see volume keep pushing in. We might not have a center rally. We'll see how that work out. But a lot of things gonna be happening. So if we get 50 basis points, then in a few weeks, then it's gonna be really nice for all of us, right? 50 basis points. We see them drop the rates down to 50 basis points. We all gonna be happy at that point. But so I would say if I'm gonna be trading Bitcoin, I'll be trading in between these numbers here. That's a good trade, good numbers. We start remember always keep your eye on volume. Ethereum. Looking at ETH right now, ETH is pushing up, looking nice. ETH is right on this fib line right here. So where we at right now, about 1265. ETH is up 11% over the week, down 20% for the month. Like I said, we already know. We know why. What happened with FTX. But we're seeing here, we can trade this. You can trade ETH if you're gonna be trading. If you're trading inside ETH now, you're in a swing trade. I can trade up to this 50. Up to about 1321. We just keep seeing volume coming in. And if you're gonna be in a long swing, you say, listen, I'm guessing I'm a psychic, which I don't like. I don't think you should be a psychic. But if you're gonna be doing a swing on ETH, you're still seeing volume coming in. You hold ETH up until about 14, up to this next fib right here, to about 1465, 1466. But you really want to get out by like 1445. I would say about that. You know what I mean? Before that 1450, you just never know if it rejected off of that. But I would say between 1445 up to about 1465, okay? If you're going to be trading ETH. We don't want to get back down here to 1118. If you're going to be shorting the market, if some bad news happen with ETH, you can short it down to about 1118. Something really, really, really bad comes out, all right? But besides that, man, let's get right into it. So it says Binance now controls 75% exchanges or the monthly volume. CZ tweeted out. He says Binance acquires JFSA registered secure exchange. Bitcoin committed to enter Japan under regulatory compliance. So Binance, he's like, yeah, all this FUD coming out, but we're gonna keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger and better. He said CZ said revealed that it bought 100% stake in a Japanese regulated exchange for an undisclosed sum. Given its first license in East Asia. Speaking on a development, Binance Japan General Manager Takeshi Chino, he said, quote, we will actively work with regulators to develop our combined exchange in a compliant way for local users. We are eager to help Japan take a leading role in crypto. It says Binance makes 75% of its trading volume. So it says the crypto exchange has secured, so with Binance, so it says, with the move, Binance has expanded influence and market dominance increased significantly since FTX. Said the crypto exchange has secured regulatory approvals in France. So all the Binance FUD, all this, we need to be regulated, this and that. That's why I keep telling people. A lot of these people, these influencers you guys listen to, don't know what the hell they're talking about. They don't know. They're just getting secondhand information. They don't look into anything. They're just here just to get you views and just, shock value, that type of stuff there. They don't know what they're talking about. It need to be regulated. It need to be regulated. Okay, here we go. The crypto exchange has secured regulatory. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Regulatory. The word of the day is regulatory. The crypto exchange has secured regulatory approvals in France, Italy, Spain, Bahrain, Abu Dhabi, etc. Through some of the approvals have drawn the ire of some lawmakers. So, people saying, it's not regulated. Crypto's not regulated. It is regulated. A lot of exchanges are regulated. Coinbase is regulated. Coinbase is on the stock market. It's regulated. Gemini regulated. Binance US is regulated. And so I keep telling people, it's regulated. A lot of stuff is regulated. All right? Word of the day, regulatory. Regulatory. All right? So Binance makes 75%. So it said Binance now has 75% of all exchange volume, which is a big dog right there. Nomics data confirmed Binance dominance in its 24-hour trading volume metrics. According to the data aggregated, Binance trading volume was 38.53 billion in the last 24 hours, which accounted for 18.79% of all trades. OKX, is up there as well. Close to right, OKX. So, but besides that, guys, Binance is trying to get regulated everywhere. Binance US, obviously, we know Binance US is regulated here in the US. So, it's a lot of things going on with Binance, guys. Getting bigger and bigger, better and better. Offers a lot of different things you can do on Binance. All right, a lot of features over there on Binance. Another thing, big news that came out last night, and everybody was so excited, which pushed the market up like crazy. We all went crazy last night. I was wondering what happened because I was on a call with the team last night, and my man Aaron was like, "Yo, look at ETH." And ETH went up like crescent. Man, I was thinking like, man, something got to be going on. And long and behold, we see what's going on. And what happened? What had happened was Brazil passes law to legalize crypto as a payment method. So say the law was approved by the Chamber of Deputies of Brazil, but still requires approval of the executive branch to be enacted. Guys, Brazil is a huge country. Brazil has over 100 million people. Brazil is a huge country with a lot of influence. Brazil is the U.S. of South America, all right? So what happens in Brazil, you can start seeing everything is how South America start taking place as well. Brazil is also part of BRICS, which is Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Which BRICS, try to have their own money system. BRICS want to team up and become pretty much what the West is. Where you see where the U.S. With the U.S. and UK and Germany and France and all that, you know what I mean? Those type of countries there, they pretty much try to control the world and you know what I mean, in a sense, and judge and pretty much be the judge of the world, and a big policeman of the world. That's what BRICS is looking to do now. That's what BRICS saying. Listen, we don't want to be told by you guys. We're tired of you guys wagging your finger at us. We want to do our own thing. So they teamed up. So Brazil's a part of that as well. This is a good thing for crypto. It says, while Brazil has not made Bitcoin a legal tender like El Salvador did last year, the South American nation has passed a law that legalizes crypto payments throughout the country. The Chamber of Deputies of Brazil, a federal legislative body, has passed a regulatory framework that legalizes the use of cryptocurrency as a payment method within the country. While this makes significant progress of crypto within Brazil, the law still requires signature of the president of Brazil for it to be enacted. And they just Brazil just got a new president, which was a past president. So, that's one thing right there to think about as well. Let me put this right here. That's another thing to think about right there as well as a new president, which was already a past president. We might see it push through, though. A lot of people like that guy. So after being passed to law, the government executive branch must decide which office will be in charge of supervision. Still tokens that will be considered securities will remain under the jurisdiction of Brazil SEC. So says apart from designating crypto as a payment method, the law enables the creation of licenses for crypto exchange platforms and for custody and management of crypto by third parties. In addition to this, the law will require exchanges to make a clear distinction between company and user funds to avoid another incident like the FTX collapse. And the thing is, a lot of people say, with the doom and gloom with FTX and everything, the debacle of that, it actually going to clean up the space a lot better. We've seen, what FTX was doing, Alameda and what SBF was doing, Alameda. You see most, if you just look at, the liquidations, and most of it was on FTX. You look at all other exchanges. I like using CoinGlass to see the different liquidations. And you seeing most of the liquidation was on FTX. So you're seeing a lot of manipulation going on over there. And, it was pretty much his piggy bank to play around. He was doing it with other people's money, which is even worse. Liquidating a lot of people because, if you're the owner of the exchange, you can see where all the stop losses are. You can see where all the take profits are. So you'll see where all the buy orders and sell orders and everything like that. So you go in and wick it up and then wick it down and just take everybody's money. You know what I mean? Which is, so it cleans up. It's unfortunate what happened. And my thoughts go out to everybody, out there, that lost money with the exchange. But remember, guys, you gotta take control of your crypto. The farther we get away from the real reason Bitcoin was created, is you're gonna get caught up out there, man. So make sure you take your crypto, go on exchange and trade. You gotta do what you gotta do and take your stuff off. But so it's gonna clean up the space a lot, and you start seeing when when countries start to do some form of regulation. They're gonna know what to look for or know what to ask and know what these companies have to do in order to be regulated inside their country and be inside business. So back in June, a similar proposal was issued to allow Brazilians to use crypto as a means of payment and protect their private keys from being taken by courts. The proposal aims to make crypto assets a means of exchange and an instrument of access to goods, services, or investments. Meanwhile, while the FTX collapse has impacted many sectors within the crypto space, it will not affect everyday crypto used for Brazilians, according to Diego Caesar, the CEO of Transfero Group, which is closely tied to the Brazilian crypto ecosystem. Yeah, I mean, we've seen it. A lot of people that, the doom and gloom. I think the people and the influencers you guys seeing out there, and they really big on this FTX thing. They're showing that they're newbies, and they have a lot of newbie traits to them. And if they lost money on Luna, Celsius, FTX, it's showing a lot of newbie. And I wouldn't be following people like that, because they'll keep losing money, they'll keep making mistakes, and you gotta question when, after Luna debacle and after Celsius, and these guys are supposed to be sitting here showing people the way in crypto, and they turn around and say, "Oh, I'm gonna take all my money off. I just took all my money off of Crypto.com, or I just took all my money off of this and that." What is it? Why all your money on exchanges? And if all your money on exchanges, you shouldn't be over here telling other people or talking and trying to teach other people about crypto when you're breaking the number one rule. Number one rule is not your key, not your crypto. Why you got all this money on exchanges? So, and if these guys are so butthurt off of FTX, then they lost a lot of money with FTX. So not only they lost a lot of money with Luna, they lost a lot of money on Celsius. They left all their money on Celsius. They left all their money on FTX. These guys don't know what they're doing. And I'm just saying, just keep looking at this. These guys don't know what they're doing. BlockFi as well. These guys don't know what they're doing. So I want you guys, and my thing is, I want to talk to people and teach people about the space. And since the beginning, I always tell people, listen, you're going to exchange, not your keys, not your coins, like my man Bitcoin Zay say, not your keys, not your cheese. And these guys keep making these mistakes. These guys know what they're doing. They're newbies. And they're lying to you about when they got in the market too. They're lying. A lot of them are lying to you. So it's just something because they're making a lot of newbie mistakes. You know what I mean? People that's just brand new. And part-time inside here. Like they said, like Maldi said, ain't no such thing as halfway crooks, right? They're halfway in this space. They really don't know what they're doing. We got about another 6 minutes before it's Fed Chair Powell starts speaking. So I'm gonna answer some questions on here and get it going. What's up, everybody? What's going on? Let's go. Yeah. These shillers, man. These shillers, they they make money off of YouTube. I'm gonna let you know, off of sponsorship of YouTube. That's their money. Their money not off of them being good traders or investors. Like right now, they can't tell you what coins to buy. They can't tell you like, okay, look, based upon volume or trading, this and that. They have to just make drama after drama like a damn soap opera. They don't know how to make money in the bear market. Everybody can make money in the bull market. Everybody. It's very easy. All you gotta do, go on CoinMarketCap and in the bull market, close your eyes and do like this. That one. And just buy it. And just sit there in the bull market while money is constantly being thrown into the market. And they'll make money. They'll make money off of it. You'll make money off of just that. You know what I mean? But in the bear market, they don't know what to do. They don't know what coins to pick. They're wrong. They're wrong all the time. So what they do in between this time, they have to, create drama. They have to keep talking about drama and doom and gloom and try to get clicks off of that. And misery loves company. Me, I like making money, so I'm going to talk about how to make some money. Make some damn money. That's why we had Litecoin pull. Litecoin, 20, after I tweeted about it, 25% the next day. Because we like to, see exactly what's going on. We like to make money. Winners win, guys. Remember that. Winners win. So it said, let's see what else. What's up, everybody? Discover Your Options. I like that name, Discover Your Options. I really like that name. It's a dope name. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. So you guys have any questions, make sure you guys put it in the chat. We're about to end this in a few minutes. When Papa Powell starts speaking, Fed Chair Powell, the guy when he talks, trillions of dollars move. So to me, I always say it's the most powerful man in the world, because if a man come in and talk and trillions of dollars move based upon words he say, that's the most powerful man in the world. You know what I mean? Everybody's sitting there on the edge of their seats. You know what I mean? The most powerful companies and corporations, they on the edge of their seat, just trying to see what he gonna say next. But yeah, man, just look out for Dogecoin as well. I mean, I'm not a big Dogecoin fan, but Dogecoin been around. It's a proof of work coin. I think with Twitter, with Elon Musk and Twitter, and when they start implementing over there, I think Dogecoin going to be benefit off of that as well. Obviously Polygon's a good one. Polkadot just really not making its moves. It really didn't do what I expected it to do in the last bull run. It did had it. I mean, we got it at about $3, and then push up, I believe, like $40 or whatever. But I was expecting Polkadot to hit $100 last bull run. But Litecoin, man, I think Litecoin will get back into the top 10. I believe Litecoin will get back to the top 10 because Litecoin one of them old dogs. You know what I mean? I think if SEC start coming down on a lot of these different exchange, not exchanges, but a lot of these coins, Litecoin is going to be bulletproof. You know what I mean? It's not going to be messed with. You got to understand, Gary Gensler, he's a Bitcoin maxi. He's not a crypto maxi. That's the problem with a lot of people. A lot of people thought, oh yeah, he was in Bitcoin. He talk about blockchain, He's a Bitcoin maxi. He's not a crypto maxi. You gotta understand the difference between the two. It's people that just love Bitcoin and say everything else is just bull BS. You know what I mean? And then they want to destroy it. And they think you're an idiot for buying anything except for Bitcoin. So you gotta understand the difference between the two. All right. But yeah, guys, we don't have any questions. So what I'm going to end this right now. Get ready for Fed Chair Powell. Guys, like I said, if you're in a Bitcoin, like I said, if you're going to be trading Bitcoin, you're going to be doing swing trade, I would say, try to get it after 17,529. Play between 17,529 up to 18,472. But don't trade it, guys, up until about 3 o'clock today, because Fed Chair Powell going to speak. And when he speak, things move. And you don't want to be, caught up in the other side of it. All right, you trade one way, and it just whipsaw another way. You get stopped out or get liquidated. You don't want that to happen. But I'm gonna holler at y'all guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends about me. Tell your friends, family members, everybody to follow us on all our different social medias. You guys see below. Follow us all there. And but man, we're gonna get in this up. Appreciate it, Miss Jackson. Appreciate it. But yeah, we're going to end it up like that, guys. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next video. Stack your sacks and chill. It's your guy, Crypto Chuck, here to Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.